Nĩ kahinda gathiangu nĩ twateana no na gũkĩrĩ oro ũguo rĩ no nginya tũcaranagie nĩgetha tukona maũndũ marĩa merũ mokĩte. Heho yanjĩrĩria mũmero ũkora nĩ ũndũ wa homa, you know the voice. Niĩ ndĩrarĩ na homa njũru na rĩu nĩ honetio nĩ Ngai na ndikĩhonete biũ no nĩ tũkwaria, no ndikwaria mũno tondũ voice yakwa ndĩrĩ ĩracoka. Ndĩrenda kũmwĩkĩra ka video ke haha muone na mũmenye atĩrĩrĩ nĩ tũrathoma na no tũgũthiĩ na mbere gũthoma. Ta rekei mwĩrorere ka video gaka.
Without having 100,000, what's the shortest route I can make it 1 million? That is what investment is. And especially passively, where I don't need to tire my mind and my hearts. You see the way you say, oh, me niko job, but nataka tu pahali nitaweka pesa, wewe uendelee tu na kazi, but the money to work for you somewhere else to multiply. Passively is what it is in investments. But there is something I want to, and I'll keep pushing to you until you start doing it. This is a job where you go from 8 to 5. Those who I was, nyinyi tulikuwa na nyinyi some time back pale Nairobi Club. And I hope you started doing what we discussed. So you are here, you are employed as a teacher, and as a banker, and as a journalist. I have seen my brother somewhere. Even if you hide, I see you. With your trademark. Thank you very much, Senior. So you are here. You go to work every day from 8 to 5. You use your might, your hands, your legs to go to work, and your heart because you love your work. From 8 to 5, every day a month. So thinking about a business of your employer. And you work diligently, thinking, planning, executing, 8 to 5. And then when you make your 1 million shillings, you go to an investment company to get an expert on investments to guide you on how to invest your money. So you have all the time to think about somebody else's business, and you have all the time to study and execute that job you work for in that ministry. But since you started working and saving, you have never taken one afternoon to even study about investment of your own money. So what do we end up doing? We go to Chama and we are told, hey, nowadays, this is the hot thing. So you put in your money. Because your only reference point to making decisions is your friends. But your friends were also told by friends. And those other friends were told by other friends. Unfortunately, if you draw a family tree of that decision, maybe Parachini, it was ignorant. So we are all here now learned with graduates with masters and degrees. This is what to don't joke with me, I'm an engineer. Don't joke. I have CPA K and I'm BCom. Don't joke. But you are just investing because you went to church during the fellowship. Some guy told you there is this investment thing you need to do, and you jump in. Guys, let's get serious. Take some time to study one when you're investing your money, because I'll highlight a few options that there are. But take your time always, and I do that myself. So I'm not preaching to you what I don't take. And I don't rely on anyone to know where to buy what. Because if you get 1 million shillings, na ulitumia akili na kufanya kazi ukapata 1 million, and you still need somebody to come show you how to invest your 1 million, then you can mwachia akutengeneze hata hiyo milioni moja. So start top line here. How is the global economy like? Kuna mtu hapa akona clue? How is the global economy doing? In any way, just tell me in any way. Global economy. And when you say it's doing well, tell me why you think so. Yes, my brother. You are basing on the economy, the market, or what? Market. Very well. Clap for him. He's talking about one thing called commodities. Majorly. That's what has been coming down, and especially in the
Reke twambe tume kirathi giki twambe twiyuria atiriri advice cia muturire na muikarire wa mbeca citu ri na githĩ to nginya tukimenye kuma kuri aria mathikangĩrĩirie maundu na aria moĩ maundu na rĩu ri kaundu ta gaka nĩ tukwenda tugathikĩrĩria nigetha tukamenya where to invest and how to invest na rĩngĩ no wone kaundu wĩcirie reke nginyĩrie andu nĩ wega mũno tuthikagĩrĩrie maundu mamwe ta maya na nigetha tukamenya muno nigetha tukamenya.
Let these things not become just these things we are talking here. Let them make use of them. Just Googling these things, you'll be getting them on. If you want to know the price of oil today, Sahi, instantly you know. Even the graph, you are given for free this info. The graph of how it has been, the dollar, the shares in the US and such. So crisis in the economy is dependent on where you are situated. And I hope you have underlined that. So the crisis in the rates is no longer a crisis. It is already an opportunity. So you shift, very fast, this information I'm saying helps you to be him when him needs to be him. But because you have used some few weekend afternoons to study about where to put money, you already have jumped from him before anyone else. And these things are not rocket science to know. Once you study those things I'm saying, that is what happens. So we are in Kenya. Sasa tumetoka US na Europe na wherever. So once you come now, you land in Kenya. Interest rate yet 9%. So T-bills, you add something 2 or 3%. Okay. Lad is here. Hey, the one I bought in 2021. Nimetafuta mtu wa kununua sipati. Okay. So you make your decision there. Then somebody tells you, build bana. Nunua na weka rentals. It is fine. But before you go there, study the global markets to know, are we in an era of building? Or are we in an era of sleeping and earning? You know, you can't go. Let's exhaust all the low-lying fruits. Before you go to kulima pahali, kwetu tunasema dhagari. Yani kuna pahali, kuna weed. Weed that is so stubborn, unalima tena na tena. Before you go to the gari area, kwanza unalimaga kwenye hakuna hiyo weed. So pick the low-lying fruits before you go to the hard job. So the low-lying fruits, then you measure, you check. Huyo nimemtoa, he used to be good, bye-bye till another day. But I've not kept him too far. Nimemweka tu around. Huyu namuangalia tu kiasi. Because he is already affected by this, and this may affect. But I'm also asking myself, if I know what I give you, you take to him or him. Why can't I get their phone numbers? I talk to them directly. Now we come here. We're already in Kenya. We've decided, let's buy companies. Do you know why I have bias on companies? Market price. Markets inaika price kwa kitu. But value is not done in the market. This hotel, we may sell it. Let's say it is listed in the NSC. So the shares may be because somebody came, realized the parking is not the way they like, realized the tea is not how he likes the tea. So that subjective reasoning goes to the market and affects the share price. But it has not affected the fundamental of this hotel. So the reason why when the markets are down, you can buy them without minding is because do not buy the shares, buy the company. When you start buying the shares, then you'll get it all wrong because you'll move away from being an investor into being a speculator. Because you'll not be speculating, ikienda juu na 2 shillings, ikienda na hii. Okay, there are people who tell me, hiyo story ya share unatuambia. Me, I bought Safaricom when it was 45. I bought Mumias when it was 50 shillings. I bought Kenya Power when it is 50. Now, that's your problem, as we never bought.
What did you buy?
I'm not saying me, all of us here. What I'm saying is, I tell these people here. So you just did what you are told in your chama. You get? But that does not take away the fact that the Kenyan stock market has been undervalued for the last, like, 5 years or so.
Hey, ma nĩ maũndũ tũkũnindi gũthikĩrĩria na maũndũ ta maya nĩ tũkũnindi kũmamenya andũ na nĩgetha tũmenyage ũrĩa gũikaragwo gũkũ thĩ ĩno tũtigũcoka gũkira ũguo tũgakira tũtarĩ na information twacaria andũ arĩa mena information tũkamamenya nĩ tũrĩthikagĩrĩria ũrĩa maraiga tondũ kaingĩ na kaingĩ nĩ tũũraga na tũgate mbeca nyingĩ mũno nĩ ũndũ wa kwaga kũmenya kwoguo rĩ tarekei nyambe ndĩmwĩkĩre research ya information na ndĩmũrehagĩre handũ na rĩu ũrĩa mũngĩka nĩgetha mũni support no gũ-subscribe wona mwa subscribe information ndĩmũrehagĩra o mũthenya na gwĩkĩra video ĩno like na gũ-comment kwanza ta hihinyaga kengele na nĩgetha hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ndekĩrwo ũkomenya information ndĩmĩrehaga o mũthenya rĩu nĩ ihinda rĩa kũmenya maũndũ this is the second half of the year tũtigũtũra harĩa tũrarĩ nduma-inĩ tũthiaga o chama andũ nĩ mamenyire kũndũ kũngĩ gwa kũget information na nĩkuo tũgũthiĩ rĩu first and foremost subscribe to the channel then give the video a like na rĩu weterere video cifuatane cia maũndũ marĩa megũtũteithia mũtũrĩre-inĩ ũyũ na Ngai agũteithie mũno comment hau wandĩke o kaũndũ kega na nĩ tũgũcoka tũthiĩ na mbere tũkĩaranagĩria Ngai amũrathime.